time I need a higher class.
Me a stop you for go on for vacation if you want. You have money? You have money?
You have money and you for bring me out. Now ask me if me have money. If me have money, me not give you for bring me
anyway,
on
bring you, I
vacation.
definitely can't afford, so easy.
Right, yes, sir?
Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay. You be swerving, swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Body love your surface. Yeah, I'm alone your body.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. From a city VS, I hear the voice and see me by myself. You don't know what time it is, guys. You see me? Yeah. Wanna feel my energy? Yeah. I hope y'all feel this energy. Yeah. I hope y'all feel it. Yeah. So, when I was on the see by the title, before I get any further, I just want to drop a hot like on this. Comment down below, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Welcome to all our new supporters and all of our supporters. Big up on a damn self, you know, our real fan, family. I love you know. You see me, just big up on yourself. Yeah. So basically what I go do is I go tell Nathan say, be right now. I tell you that the hard thing, you know, I want to go up on vacation. I want me to go up on vacation. And I know him respond go be like, be me nah no money and whatsoever. I know that, babe. I love you so much. But wait until I can bring me on vacation. Be me just wait, babes. I love you. And because you can't buy me ear and all of them thing there. Just know say when I watch a video, I love you. This is all a prank. Me and you, I got 1 ear. Me and the 1 ear. I got 2 ear. And me not have no problem throughout that 1 ear there. Like me not ask if you nothing. So you must know. I love you, babes. So yeah, my beautiful peeps, I got tell him say. When he respond to me and him say when him say nah no money, I go say right now be want a higher class man right now. One man who can buy me ear. I just a change ear so every day and just a change ear. So be things me I just got hot up in head this morning, guys. So I just drop a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Guys, big up on yourself, comment which part of the video you wanna love. Bring us to 20k fast, guys. You see me? Yeah, I remember watch the ads them, guys. I love you know. Say yes. Say yeah, guys. What me I go do right now is me I go what me I go do is I go call Nathan and get right into the epic video, yeah. Guys, remember you know, drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, put it on all so whenever we drop another video get notified. You see me? So yes, guys, I just let's turn over. So yes, guys, me just go up go call in 2 times and take on myself quick and fast. You see me? You don't know which part me there. So you soon hear him and you soon hear my call. Many you see me? Yeah, one know which part me there. Yeah, so guys, we'll just stay tuned for this. Can me know say this I go. Wait, they get money. Guys, make sure to comment as much as you can. Once I got some notification, show you the starting, so they will start notification. So make sure you comment as much as you can. Make sure you're first. You get a shot on next video. Yeah, guys. Yeah. In the way up of the yard. So you know when in the way up of the yard, I'm gonna walk back home. Watch out. You're born in chest. Whoa.
Oh.
Oh God. Sleep at you.
Yes.
But just wake up right now because you can't bother with sleeping.
Felicia, right now. Yeah, but we are on a bush thing for my youth.
Where does bush thing? I Every time I call you, I have a problem with family day. I have a problem with that. I call you. So you want here or not?
Talk no man.
I stop one so pull a thing one stone and clean your back. Yeah, as me as senator. No, so I don't like talk to the boy, yeah?
Talk no youth.
Yeah, as me as say. Nathan right now be more start go on some vacation deal. Tired of the yard, like me there the yard like every day. We not gonna be. We want to go on a vacation right now. Enjoy my life. Enjoy we life.
You have money to go for vacation.
And that me come to you. What are you? For know if you have money and me. You're the man there.
Oh. So where we find money from?
So we need to find money from. I'm asking you a
Bad man,
question.
lock off your mouth, yeah? Wait.
One can do ear. Just a change ear. So one cannot change nails. I change shoes and I change slippers. I change all watch and chain and clothes. I'm tired of the one life. I want the money till me full.
Shut your mouth, you idiot. Who wants the money for the food? You know money come, you think of some money come. Oh, the money for the food. You have to work.
Then go thief because I
Who
can't
for
wait
thief?
till you work
Who
and get
for
money.
thief, please?
Because I want to go on vacation and I want to change hair, I want to do nails, I want to do tour, I want to do body too and breast. So
Who's
I
body
need
and
money.
breast?
Nathan, listen to me. Listen to me. I need a higher class man. I'm tired of this. I want a man with what I say I'm say him know what I mean.
Who you talk?
Not who me fear talk to me here.
Come like a sick in your brain. If you not go get man with your ruler, you know what I mean.
Are you me a deal with say you figure know make up your mind if you go thief
Who
or what
are thief?
because you don't
Virgin,
know.
you're not getting nothing from it. So the
Listen
best
to
thing
me
for now.
Nathan, me need a higher class man.
Say
I'm
like
tired of you. You're too local. I want higher class and I depend on my
Who local? Where you
You're
do?
not in a my
You're
lane.
international?
You're local.
You're
You want
international?
one higher class man. You just expect you want to go on vacation and see everybody go on
Virgin, you
vacation.
not go on
What we
man.
are doing in a yard?
Where you think
Yes,
of some
sir, now
vacation
work.
come?
Yes, I not work. Yes,
Think
I
of some
not say nothing.
vacation go? Easy yourself.
You not bring me nowhere.
Who not bring you nowhere?
But yard.
Who not bring you nowhere? Lock off your mouth, man. You come down and start tell man, fuck you come talk about your vacation. Boy, you not go for vacation. You know, wait, Regine. You think of something
Wait
come?
on what? When that? When me dead? Because I couldn't.
What do you mean when you're dead? Come like you're sick in your head, you know.
So when me here, I can't change. 24/7, just has changed to every day.
You mean I know
Pink,
you.
black, blue, more all of them color them. I want to just a change here so be me can't take the local.
So my fault like I want
I
you
want
man.
a higher
Yo,
class,
stop your
man.
nice man. Work towards what you want and stop your nice.
Are you for work towards
Right
when
now,
you
right
want?
now you talk about year and change. I don't think they are made.
At that, me and meds right now, hot girl something. You know
You
see?
know, move,
You
go
know
on
see?
then man. Go on
know
then
see?
man. You make your heart tell something.
Hot girl something me and meds. Oh, so better come give me up my money. Oh, cause me work for my money, give me my money.
Who work for money?
Oh,
Where you do for your money?
what you mean by what me do for my money?
Where you do for your money?
What you mean by what me do for
Bad
my
man, easy yourself.
I want to go on vacation. Later, I need a higher class.
You have to
Tired of your
go on for
localness.
vacation if you want.
Your
You have money?
localness now work.
You have money?
You have money and you for bring me out. Now ask me if me have money. If me have money, me not give you for bring me
Anyway,
on
bring you, I definitely
vacation.
can't afford. So easy yourself.
Right here,
and do
sir.
it. Me not bring you go now.
Right here, sir. Where you bring me?
My it's up, my it. What you don't say
Where you
nothing to me
bring me?
now. So right now you just, yo, stop your knife here. But where you bring me?
Where you bring me? Most back a bush.
Who
Cause
bring me?
where you bring me?
You see, woman like you know, you love sweet, you.
Who love sweet?
You love sweet.
Me love sweet. Tell us say that.
A sweet you love.
Me at on one ear.
Sweet you
On
love.
one ear, me sit down with you like this, B. I'm not complain or
sweet
not
you
like
love.
that, B.
Yo,
So
just
what if me ready right now?
don't
What
tell
if
me
me
nothing.
ready to talk and ready
You
to
love
do me ear and
fucking
them thing
sweet.
there?
Yeah, watch people them thing and
Who
you
watch
see people
people?
them change their ear and that a bother you. You go on dead. You don't feel bumbo clot sweet. Wait and work
Don't cuss
your own
nobody
way.
out after
Don't
me.
tell me nothing.
Don't cuss
Work
nobody
your
out.
own way and take
You
time.
for work that way there.
Who for work that way
You
there?
for work that way
Ha,
there.
ha, ha.
Is you are the
You
man.
know, wait and wait.
And you are the man.
Wait.
You are the man.
Wait and see.
And you for work that way there.
But you for work that way there. You for wait. You think that's a thing come. Oh, you wait long. You have to wait
One
now
ear now,
more.
me wait to go to 2 ear. You gonna go 3 ear, me wait, see me?
Yes, 5, 6.
Impossible.
So you know, go and go get somebody who can give you where you want vacation and whatever you want, man.
You know, so that boy, you just make me feel like me want, you know, or, you know.
Lick down who? Lick down who? You lick your head. Come like you lick your head, you know. And that me I see, you know. You see
You
now,
lick
no
your
sense,
head?
you know. You come like you lick your head. And we see how
So
we
your
waste my
mother?
time. And we see how we waste my time. You fat,
Who will waste your time?
you fat,
You say your maga?
you fat. But
What
you
you
want to go
mean?
for a vacation. You think
A
that's a
vacation, me
from?
want to go for me tired of yard, every day me sit down a yard, like, what the fuck, what me I do a yard? I'm tired of yard, what do you know, sit down in a
So you know
yard?
what, go to the road, man.
Vacation.
And come out of
I
here.
want to look at, I want to have my iPhone just to take pictures, so just to cock up, so I go and stand, I'm tired of them something, yeah.
Work towards what you want, man. And don't
You
come
for
over
work
like
towards what me want. And then me no work towards what you want. So
Oh,
one
yeah.
way to go.
yeah, cause me a big, yeah, me a the big baboon, a big idiot monkey. And me that, you have to wait till them
Then
thing
what
they
you
can
say?
come your way. And that, you tell them. You come call me down, you have to come tell me about.
I don't give a F what you want to say, nigga. I want to go on vacation and I need my hair to do at my nails. I'm on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's the only place now.
You want 11 Pro box, and that you want, but 11 Pro Max. But 11 Pro Max. You have money to buy iPhone, 11 Pro Max.
Everything me tell you, say more you ask me if me have money. Are you?
Me? Me have to ask you if you have money.
Yes,
So I know say me not have it. So what? But wait till your turn, wait for your turn. Wait for your time.
Yeah, man.
That me I tell you.
Yeah, man.
Right now I'm tired, you know. So,
Don't worry yourself. You
wait
go
for
sorry.
your time.
You go sorry.
Who go sorry?
You'll be sorry, Nathan. Me not ask.
Who go sorry?
You go sorry.
Who go sorry?
You are go
Mike,
sorry.
better you lock off from
Yeah,
out
go
here.
sorry.
Who go sorry?
Let us say you go
What
sorry.
make me go sorry?
Don't worry yourself.
What make me go
You
sorry?
go
What
sorry.
make me go sorry?
Say you go sorry.
Take your hand out of my
You
feet.
go
What make me
sorry.
go sorry?
You go sorry. You soon know when it comes to you.
You say you go fuck yourself, what you want here?
And that me I go do so. Just to stop me right now because
Oh.
you're gonna do it brand new.
Oh.
It don't make no
Oh.
sense.
Might lock off your mouth when you call me down here and come tell me say about you want about vacation. Change here. You think I saw them thing they go yet? I want you. Yeah,
Nathan,
idiot.
me ever bother you about them something you want to take me bother you now
I
about
want
it.
you, Kalisha. My youth, wait your turn, man.
What is them supposed to me that what
Freaking
them
body
girls
will
do?
burn you in a youth.
My body can't burn me. Can't burn me. So what should you say, nigga?
My lock off, man. Don't call me no nigga. How you call nigga, man?
You don't deserve to call me a nigga your name.
How you call nigga?
You
Me call
can't
nigga to your
bring
auntie,
me to no
man.
nigga.
Ease yourself.
Nigga. What
Ease
can you do
yourself
for
and
me,
stop
nigga?
calling me nigga. You
Do
there?
something about it, nigga. All you do is just come up in a face with your one bad and thing. want to do for me, nigga. And then I want to come chat off your mouth. So yeah guys, as you can see guys, Nathan gone if we are gone. Oh my god. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned to me. I'll be a bush, I don't want to see the bush thing. Hello. How do you feel about this? How you feel, babes? Timor. Guys, just remember like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and big up on yourself.